Learn with music.
Use some in a sentence that's positive and clear. That is the rule, just keep it near. Use any in questions and for negative answers. It's easy to follow for singers and dancers. I have some apples. I don't have any apples. We need some water. We don't need any water. Use some in affirming, it sounds just right. Use any in questions or when you deny. And when you offer something with grace, then some is the word to put in place.